Guys, what's up? Welcome back to HALLOWEEK. It is day 6. I am so excited to share another skull with you guys. When I think of Halloween, I don't think about witches or pumpkins or bats. I think about skulls, like all kinds of skulls, creepy skulls, weirdo skulls, all types of skulls. Now, last year I shared a cat skull with you guys. If you haven't seen that, that was interesting. Go check it out. I'll put the link up in an iCard. But this time I wanted to do an alien skull. I had a green wig, I wanted to use it, so here we go. Here's an alien skull for you guys. It actually was pretty simple to create. It's way easier than a regular skull, and I love how this, like, the eyes turned out. Just really cool, really classic, and I love how it looks. I hope you do too. If you're new, hi, welcome. I'm doing HALLOWEEK. It is day 6. So if you missed any of the other previous HALLOWEEK videos, I will link the playlist up in an iCard. You can go check it out, and also at the very end of the video. Also subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified for all my future videos. Now, just like I have been doing with all the other Halloween looks, I also have a matching Halloween nail to go with this look. So I have alien nails, we have some glitter, it's green, they're just so cute and they're really easy to do. Again, everything I do is easy and beginner friendly because that is my level. I am easy, beginner friendly. That's where I'm at in the scale. So it's really easy to do. You can go see it on my Instagram feed. It's a little 1-minute mini tutorial, so go check it out, you guys. And yeah, let's just get started with this alien skull. Okay, so I'm starting out with a matte black, and I'm putting down an eyeshadow base so that it can come on as smooth as possible, but basically I'm going to start making a sort of alienish shape on my eye, and that's going to kind of determine how my look ends up going. So you do want to spend a good amount of time making sure that you have a nice, like, upward shape. After this, I decided to start with the face, so I'm putting on foundation, concealer, powder, the whole shebang. So I'm only going to put on some bronzer, and I'm kind of trying to put it up a little bit higher so it can show through the cheekbones of my alien. So I'm going into this shimmery black, and this is the last eyeshadow I'm going to use, and I'm just going over top of that black that I previously put on. I feel like this just gives a little bit of glitz and kind of makes it look less patchy and more beautiful. And then I'm going to get this nude eyeliner and start sketching out my alien. Definitely recommend sketching a skull out first before going in with paints. It's just 10 times easier and less stressful on your part. Now that everything's sketched out, I'm going to go over the bronzer and make sure it's up high enough to where the skull's going to be. And then we're going to get into our black water activated paints, and I'm going to start on the eyes. So instead of just doing circles and filling them in, I have seen a picture that someone did where they did black eyeshadow with all these different dots and paint strokes. So I kind of wanted to do something similar to that, and I'm creating the eye area, the eye socket area, with just a bunch of black dots, a ton. So take your time, have different sizes. This is probably the most time consuming part of the whole entire look. I'm going to put on lashes. These are the CELEB lashes by Alter Ego. I just love them. So the fancier the better, so you can really see them through the black. And now I'm just going to start going over everything that I sketched with the black water activated paints. So now I'm getting a big brush and I'm going to start filling in the rest of my face that is not part of the alien skull. As you know, the alien skull has a skinnier chin area, so I'm going to fill everything in with black, including my neck, so that in the dark and with my hair down, you can't see that. Then I'm going to go in with some brown and kind of shade some areas, and then I'm going to go in with some white as well to highlight. But I really like how the brown and the white made the skull look. Gave it a little bit more dimension. So I'm going to start creating the neck bones, and then I'm going to fill in everything else. I was running out of black paint, so I had to go over everything a lot because I had barely any left, so mine was super watered down. You probably won't run into the same problem I had. Now I'm going in with the white, and I'm going to kind of highlight and outline things that maybe got lost. This includes the teeth and the neck bones. Previously, when I did the black teeth, I did kind of make them thick and just look weird. So when I go in with the white, that's where I'm really going to fix them and shape them and make them look a little more pointy, a little more alien-like. So don't worry if you're bad at drawing teeth, just like I am. You can totally go back in with the white and fix that. So last I'm going to go in with the green, and I'm just going to put some green dots kind of in that outer part where it kind of lifts up. I think it looks really pretty when it's over there, and I want that spot emphasized to really lift up my eyes. That's it. Just pop on your wig and you're done. Liked how this alien skull turned out. I absolutely love it, and the green wig just finishes it off beautifully. I will link everything that I used down below, especially this wig. This is from Amazon, and it was super affordable and cheap, and I absolutely love it. I've used it for a couple of Halloweens myself. Like, I popped on a beanie and just done like a skull, like a rainbow skull. So I really love it. It's very versatile and it's super cute. I just love it. And I've even had people ask me if this was my real hair before. So it's a good Amazon wig. Don't forget to go check out my nail tutorial over on my Instagram. It's at Bondbeautyful. Also, if you're interested in any of the Halloween/HALLOWEEK shirts that I have, I will put the link below. I have 3 different designs, so go check it out. But yeah, I guess that's it. Bye.